This girl is the nastiest skank bitch I've ever met. Do not trust her. She is a fugly slut.
So let's get straight into it. And first off, I done my foundation and I used the L'Oreal Inflammable Foundation Stick in 140. I decided to add the Maybelline True Match in 140 also to give more coverage. I blended it all out with the Real Techniques Beauty Blender and set it with the Rimmel True Match setting powder. My favourite powder, love it. Bronzing up my face so it matches my tan with the Benefit Hoola bronzer. Love this one. I'm also using the Sculpted by Amy Duo brush. Absolutely love it. If you don't have it, you definitely need to get one. Tidying up that contour with the True Match powder again. Onto brows. Today I'm using the Goof Proof Pencil by Benefit and I believe I'm using 005. I also went in with my Browsings powder in 002 just to fix that up, but you don't see that. Going into the Stacey Marie Carnival palette by Be Perfect, I'm going to use Guilty and Funky. So that shade Guilty is going to go all over my lid and I'm just using a blank canvas fluffy brush to do it. I really like this shade. Then with a clean fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend all that out so there's no harsh lines. With a smaller, denser blank canvas brush, I'm going in with the shade Funky just to the lower lid. You can't see it too much, but it adds a little bit more pink to the eyes. Then I'm going to take a mixture of both those shades and add them to under my eyes. I'm also just trying to touch up on the shape of all the eyeshadows there. That's what you see me doing, and then just blending all that out. Taking the shade Pollen from the Carter Beauty Cherry Bomb palette, I'm just going to add that to under my brow bone, and I'm also going to use the same shade and highlight the tear duct of my eye. Using the Better Than Sex liquid liner to give myself a bit of a wing there. I actually go back and fix this up a little bit later on. And then because I didn't have any false eyelashes, I went in with lashings and lashings of Better Than Sex mascara. This is my favourite mascara and you'll see me add a lot. So I literally just waited for this coat to dry and then I went in with another coat. Adding a black NYX Jumbo pencil to my waterline. And then popping some more mascara on those bottom lashes. And here I am trying desperately to fix that wing. Popping on some NARS Orgasm blusher. And my favourite highlighter at the minute is the Cocoa collection with Kylie Cosmetics. I think this is Trubula or Troubles or something cute beginning with True. For the BuRn BoOK letters, I just printed these off. You can paint these on your face, but I picked the easier option. I'm using some NYX glitter primer to stick these on. It worked really well. Make sure you use a generous amount of the glitter primer just to stick those letters down, but once it dries, they're good. Not being too careful about where exactly I place it, because if you see on the BuRn BoOK, they don't really care either, they're just all scattered all around the place. Now comes the fun part of writing on our face. Funny, it's actually really hard to do this while looking in the mirror, making sure that you have it the right way around. A top trick I was using was drawing on a piece of tissue and holding that up to a mirror and then drawing what I see on my face just to make sure that it's all the right way around. I'm just adding some random squiggles and arrows and stuff, because if you see on the BuRn BoOK, they just have loads of different squiggly things and just loads of different scribbles. I started off using eyeliner, but then realized that it was way easier to use face paint, and it also saved my makeup. Literally not using anything as a reference here, just writing a load of different mean things on my face. I had to write fugly slut, obviously, because that's what Regina writes. Just trying to fill up my whole forehead with different words, and if a word can't fit in there, we'll shove some arrows and squiggles and dots just to fill it in. The whole thing about the BuRn BoOK is that it's just loads of scribbles and random crap, so go wild. Then this is just a random lipstick from Penny's. I think it's actually a dupe of the Huda Beauty Pink. And that's the finished look. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and happy Halloween month. I'm so excited, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more videos and check out some more Halloween videos that I've linked here. Bye!